So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are facing issue on this lab. The issue is not related to the lab as I updated earlier. The issue is related to your operating system, whether you are using Mac OS or whether you are using some versions of Windows. Also some of you are commenting that we are using Linux. So what you can do in such cases, as per the lab suggest, that you need to do one thing. For Windows and Mac, you need to download any remote desktop application from the App Store or Windows Microsoft Store. Okay, you need to download any third-party Windows RDP client, means RDP app. Okay, where you have to mention this username and perform the lab. And for Linux user, actually I haven't used Linux much, so if anyone knows, they can comment down below so that it will help others also. In general, if you are still facing issue, you can try completing the lab on your college system or any friends who is using Windows or any brother and sister. You can try to complete. This lab works smoothly on Windows and even in Mac also, if you are able to download the RDP client. Okay, RDP app, you can see remote desktop client, I want to say. So this was a quick update because most of you are having this query, so I made a video for it. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and currently all the solutions for all the labs are live.